Hi, my name is Jackie.
My name is Calvin. Now our topic is V4 energy.
And what kind of people device have the biggest final speed? The reason I want to do this topic is because I want to find out which playground facilities have the is the most exciting. And according to know which one is more exciting, we need to calculate which one has the biggest final speed.
In our background information, roller coaster, railroad track designed with tight and steep slopes and sometimes inversions, and located in Ferry Road in Abu Dhabi. And world fastest roller coaster top speed is 240 km per hour, and maximum height of the roller coaster is 53 meters. And bungee jumping, an activity that involves jumping from a tall structure, and highest jumping is in Macau Tower in China. Highest is 222 meters. And drop tower, ride incorporating a central structural tower. It has drop towers in Zumaharo, and its height is 126 meters. Speed is 90 meters per hour.
According to the background information, the picture one was the roller coaster line was in the Ferrari world, and the picture two was the drop tower that was in China. And the picture three was the bungee jumping that was in the Malaysia. Physics concept. Gravitational potential energy was an energy stored in object as a result of its physical potential height. The formula was that P potential equals weight times height, also equals mgh. The kinetic energy it possessed due to its motion, and the formula was 1 over 2 times mass times velocity squared. The mechanical energy is the sum of potential and kinetic energy. And the final speed. Final speed of the playground facility based on lattice. The formula that we use is using a process of mechanical energy and the law of conservation of energy to find the final speed. And it's also called meter per hour. And law of conservation of energy is stated by Newton that energy can be destroyed or created. The unit of energy was joule.
And key points of connections between physics and the topics are hypothesis. We predict bungee jumping is the highest height in all playgrounds, and this will have a very high velocity when we were dropping. And our concept was finding the kinetic and the potential energy, and using the mechanical energy to plug in formula, and using the formula to calculate the final speed, and compare with each playground and find the fastest and exciting feeble device.
And now I'm going to talk about the variable. The dependent variable was initial height, independent variable was final speed, and the constant include initial speed which was 0, gravitational acceleration which was 9 meters per second, and the mass of the dot is 2 kg, and the final height was 0. And the key point of function, and there was the additional information. If you look at this graph, you will know that every single point has K and P. And when the roller coaster was in the top, it was at very high potential energy. When it was in the low, it was at very high kinetic energy. And now I'm going to do a simple calculation.
The mechanical energy at the start of the playground facilities is the same as the end of the mechanical energy, and it will be equal variable, and we use law of conservation of energy.
And picture what is the formula. And step 1, we list out all the known variables. And step 2, we plug into the formula, which is in picture 5. And step 3, 70 was the mass, 94 was the gravity acceleration, and 53 was the maximum height of the roller coaster. And and the final speed of the roller coaster was 33.2 meters per second. And step 4, record our data and graph. Step 5, repeat the same step for drop towers and bungee jumping. Services compare and between the three final speeds. Here's our data. Roller coaster at 32 and 23 meters per second. Bungee jumping at 67.57 meters per second. Drop tower at 32.7 meters per second.
This is our graph.
You can see that bungee jumping had the biggest final speed. And conclusion, bungee jumping had the biggest final speed.
My reflection, after I'm done with this project, I found out the importance of teamwork. In grade 11, we have a lot of projects to do. In order to finish all the work on time, we need to divide our work in a smart and efficient way. This is also a great chance to know each other's strengths and learn from them.
And my reflection, I finish my work on time and I have common productivity. I then make Kevin do all the job, we share work equally. We calculate the result and found that bungee jumping will be the most exciting playground facility. After the experience, we think about what we can do better next time. Also, it's very difficult, but we never give it up. And it's for responsible citizens. And this is our citation. Thank you. 好，应该可以。
好了吗？
嗯。